reduce pain on acne, wrinkle, and blemishes.
Yeah. But when you say HATI, what you mean by?
No, hold on there. So I'm going to spell it. Reduce pain.
Yeah.
A-C-N-E. A-C-N-E.
Yeah.
So where that one have A-C-N. Can you play so much meanwhile? Come on,
Yeah, man, come in, man. Come,
so A-C-N-E. What that mean?
That's acne. That's acne. That's a little bump them for your face and your shirt.
Alright. Me moving forward. So
yeah.
where this one here for?
That one they good for beard with, brother.
Beard with?
That one they have no use. That one they just good for beard with.
Alright, so me will beard with this one. So where this one are good for?
That one they good for your arthritis.
Arthritis. So
yeah.
Your heart inside is good for you. So
no. Arthritis is when like a giant and swell up, man. Like when you get
old. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. And where this one here for?
That one they good for fungus.
Fungus in the head. To wash your head.
Yeah, man, them kind of thing there.
Alright then, me know now.
Alright.
Alright, so one them women, I say one them women not sure at them I feel dark spot.
Yeah. The one
I said panino. It is said pan the paper me up neat. So me go continue use the wash my face and you see me?
Right.
So when the bump them come out from my face, me will show people them say, you see me? Cause dark paper. The dark thing them the dark thing them authentic, authentic, you see me? Yeah, man, I tell
you. What you know? But you not show your face. So how you go show them say work?
No, me go show. No, cause me have one before and after. Me go cut off half of my face and put it there. When me just draw alone. You understand? And then I me put before and then me put after. You understand what me I say?
Yeah.
So remember, but watch your family. The soap them smell good in the dog. Me love how they smell, bro. Cause you see the natural soap here, bro. Them a soap in America. Then tell us say they natural and a foolish system. That's it. Bro, you know long me they wait for me soap them. Look here, you must think I lie me I tell bro. I look for me soap them for a long time, bro.
Yeah.
Long time me they wait for me soap them for. A long time from what? You see what I say? Me tear off the label. Hold on, people.